Going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in, man. I'm on the highway right now, headed to Peoria. Got a install. I'm gonna go help a fellow welder, independent owner. Want to help him out, help him do some installs. A couple gates, I believe, something simple. Wanted to say something real quick, man. I was thinking about this quarantine stuff, man. I've been out this morning, riding around, seeing what's going on, man, and it's a trip out here. So y'all just be safe, man. I do believe there's an interior motive behind all of this. So just be safe, save up your money, invest your money, most definitely. Just because things are going crazy don't mean you don't need to invest. You need to invest in proper things because that's what's going to bring us out the hole and out the slum we're in. So if you want to know what to do on a small scale, check out what they're doing on a large scale. And so that should help you, get your finances or get your life in order or what you need to do. But you utilizing this time to spend some time to yourself is a good thing, as far as, getting your thoughts, getting your game plan, re-looking at your strategy, to figure out the right approach you want to make, being independent. So I just say, man, just utilize this time. I don't know when this stuff is going to actually end, if it ends, but stuff still got to go on. Work is still in motion. I do believe that people who have mobile businesses is going to prosper in this time because a lot of people are going to be needing those services, those mobile install services, those mobile repair services. That's going to be an asset. So if you got tools in your car, your truck, and you got a skill or ability or handyman, I would think you should start promoting your skills because it's about to get real right now. And I think it's really going to be a good asset for you to have everything lined out. So I'm going to leave you with that for the day, man. Y'all be blessed. It's Friday. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Be safe. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. That's not a lot. Hog on.